MUNBYN 11-inch Rugged Tablet ILT02 review. Real performance for off-road and field use. You probably bought a tablet for work, then realized it was never built for the places you actually go. Dust in the ports, rain on the screen. One field technician told me his standard tablet shut down during a storm inspection, and the report had to wait. That kind of delay sticks with you. It slows everything. Have you felt that frustration too? It rarely feels dramatic, just draining. Missed updates, mounting stress, and that quiet worry about battery dropping below 10% while you are still miles from a charger. One drone operator admitted he kept a power bank strapped to his rig just to stay safe. That constant tension wears you down, slowly. But reliable control does exist. This is where the MUNBYN 11-inch Rugged Tablet ILT02 steps in and starts making sense. It runs Android 14 on a MediaTek 8781 processor designed to handle multitasking without hesitation. Whether you are navigating GPS routes, reviewing drone footage, or managing inventory software in the field. Don't just buy any rugged tablet. Make sure it has IP68 weatherproof durability so you avoid water damage and dust failure that everyone complains about. The 10,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging means you can reach roughly 76% in about an hour, which changes how you plan your day. One off-road guide told me he left it mounted on a UTV through mud and vibration, and it never lost connection. Another contractor described reviewing 48-megapixel site photos in bright sunlight without squinting, thanks to the large 11-inch display. The dual 32-megapixel front and 48-megapixel rear cameras add clarity for documentation and live calls. It feels steady. And here is the small bonus many overlook. 4G LTE plus GPS keeps navigation consistent even when Wi-Fi disappears. Daily use reveals the difference. Immediate benefit? Stable performance without freezing during heavy app use. Weekly win? Fewer interruptions, less time recharging, and smoother data uploads from the field. Long-term advantage? Confidence that your device will survive rough handling and unpredictable weather. A technology reviewer described the ILT02 as one of the more balanced rugged tablets available, highlighting Android 14 support and strong battery endurance. An outdoor influencer mentioned using it in rain during an off-road trip and said the GPS remained accurate and the casing felt secure in hand. Industry commentary often notes that combining 4G LTE, IP68 rating, and military standard 810H durability places this tablet in a serious work-ready category, rather than a lifestyle gadget space. One user shared that after a full day of drone monitoring, the battery still had enough charge to finish reports before heading home. I noticed something similar during testing. It simply stayed consistent. If you worry about weight compared to consumer tablets, that sturdiness is exactly what protects it. See why many field professionals quietly rely on it now. Which feature matters most to you? Battery life, durability, or camera clarity? Let me know. The MUNBYN 11-inch Rugged Tablet ILT02 delivers durability, Android 14 flexibility, and long battery life in one reliable package built for real outdoor use. Join the many field operators, UTV riders, and drone pilots already seeing smoother workflows with fewer interruptions. Results may vary depending on workload, but the stability is consistent. Solid choice. If you are ready for a tablet that matches your environment instead of fighting it, click the link in the description and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.